Ever notice your house shaking when a big truck rumbles by? Don't worry, it's not a ghost. It's just physics in action. When those massive trucks roll down the street, they're not just moving cargo. They're creating invisible waves that ripple through our world. These aren't ocean waves, but mechanical waves. Vibrations that travel through the ground and air like ripples in a pond. Picture this. As the truck's heavy wheels hit the road, they send out tiny shock waves. These waves don't just stay put. They're on a journey, a race through the pavement, zip up your walls, and even dance through the air around your home. Now here's where it gets really cool. Your windows aren't just sitting there looking pretty. They've got their own secret rhythm, a natural frequency. It's like each window has its own favorite dance move. When those truck-made waves match up with your window's groove, bam. That's what scientists call resonance. It's like when you push a kid on a swing at just the right moment. Suddenly, that window starts to boogie, shaking and rattling like it's at a disco. But here's the kicker. The truck never even touched your house. It's all thanks to those invisible waves in your window's hidden dance skills. It's not just trucks that can make things resonate. Remember that old trick where an opera singer shatters a glass with their voice? Same deal. The right frequency can make objects move in ways you'd never expect. So next time your windows start doing the jitterbug as a truck passes by, don't blame the driver. Thank good old Sir Isaac Newton for showing us how the world really moves. This whole window shaking business is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the wild world of vibrations and waves. Let's dive a bit deeper, shall we? Those big trucks aren't just creating any old vibrations. They're generating what scientists call mechanical waves. These are the kind of waves that need something to travel through, like the ground, air, or even your house. Think of it like this. When you throw a pebble into a pond, you see ripples spreading out, right? Well, when a truck rumbles by, it's like throwing a giant pebble onto the road. The vibrations spread out in all directions, just like those water ripples. But here's the cool part. These waves don't just stick to one material. They're adventurous little things. Start on the road, then hop into the ground. From there, they might climb up through your house's foundation, race through your walls, and even leap into the air. It's like they're playing an epic game of tag, and your whole neighborhood is the playground. Now, let's talk about your windows for a sec. They might look simple, but they've got some serious personality. Each window has what scientists call a natural frequency. It's like the window's favorite song, the rhythm it likes to move to. Most of the time, your windows just chill, not doing much. But when those truck vibrations come along at just the right frequency, matching the window's favorite beat, things get interesting. This is where resonance struts onto the stage. Resonance is like when you're pushing someone on a swing. Push at the right moment, and they go higher and higher. Push at the wrong time, and you might just stop them dead. When the truck's vibrations match your window's natural frequency, it's like giving that window the perfect push on a swing. Suddenly, your window starts to move more and more. It's not just a little wiggle. It can turn into a proper shake or rattle. The crazy thing is, this can happen even if the truck's vibrations aren't that strong to begin with. Resonance is like a power-up in a video game. It takes those small vibrations and amplifies them, making your window move way more than you'd expect. But wait, there's more. This resonance thing isn't just about trucks and windows. It's everywhere in our world. Remember that opera singer shattering a glass? That's resonance in action. The singer hits the glass's natural frequency, and boom, the glass vibrates so much it breaks. You can see resonance in action on bridges, too. That's why soldiers break step when marching across bridges. If they didn't, their marching could match the bridge's natural frequency, causing dangerous vibrations. Even some of the coolest tech we use every day relies on resonance. Those nifty touchscreens on our phones? They use the resonant frequency of your finger to know exactly where you're tapping. So, the next time you feel your house shaking as a truck drives by, take a moment to appreciate the amazing physics at play. It's not just a nuisance. It's a demonstration of the invisible forces that shape our world. Those vibrations racing through the ground, air, and your home are like secret messengers. They carry information about the world around us, even if we can't always see them. And your windows? They're not just there to let in light or keep out the cold. They're secret sensors, picking up on these invisible messages and translating them into movement we can see and feel. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Every rumble, every shake is a reminder of how interconnected everything in our world really is. From the massive truck on the street to the tiniest particles in your window glass, it's all part of one big, vibrating system. So next time your windows start to rattle, don't just grumble about the noise. Take a second to marvel at the incredible physics show happening right in front of you. It's like witnessing nature's coolest trick up close. And hey, if anyone asks why your windows are shaking, you can wow them with your newfound knowledge. Tell them it's not the truck's fault. It's just Sir Isaac Newton and his physics pals showing off again.
Stay curious.